e don finally red though. As Biafra Liberation Army commander don come outside though, come talk say he say all this Nigerian army we go Ekoto to market, go dey bomb people shop for inside that place. No be small thing o. They say those people they go collect. They say all of them. Aye, my people, no be small thing. They say that they dey inside the bush, they wait for them, make dem come, make they do a man to man for inside that place. Now they live inside bush o, run enter inside the market square where people dey do their business, go dey burn things for inside that place. No be small thing o. They say they go collect o. Here they bring you update back to back as e dey hot. Please share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more update as e dey hot. My people, no be small thing o. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigeria army go enter the place where they call Eke Otutu. Where innocent Biafra women and men they trade, they manage their daily life, they do their business for that area. Now these people we call themselves Nigeria army enter inside that place. go dey bomb things everywhere. Waiting they happen now. The people where they find they inside bush, you no go meet them for inside bush. How long where Biafra they go through all this every time? They just come, waiting people don't suffer, do build, and I just come carry and brother because you na be army. Women they inside bush, they come on now. My people, this kind thing, no good. Our people waiting for Lagos, now so that they do them there. They come their own home again, go stay. Watch this video.
Today, January, can they do over that? They cut to buy alcohol. Or one who about non government, no, where one about ESN. How one who about Biafra Liberation Army, no. There was a property in the mother, they cut. People are crying. Oh, the shop. No, they cut to Abatayako. But the shop in Ilan and they cut. I was Ryoko. Today, I have a shop in Ilan and I cut to Taco. How much all those shop? Then can I just select I walk. Unless select where I'm going to shop on them mothers. Shop many peoples. Can I my go? They cut. All those people now put on one humble. I don't have my shop on them mother. It's not Nigeria military. Those bandits in the Biafra land. Those bandits in Biafra land. Oh, the shop. Those bandits in Biafra land is in the house of Nigeria Zoo military. This Biafra land there. All those shops indigenous of the Biafras. Now, what's the shop on Hong Kong? Oh, shop in the Koto. Ndagala walk, I cook. This is awesome. But they will know they will not go with. Now we have from Hawk. All those shops have a cock. And the mama shop. On est walk.
This place where they see right now na the place where they call Ekototo market, where the Nigeria army enter inside this market, go put am fire everywhere, come burn yata. No be small thing o my people, things dey happen now. Some people go tell you say nothing, na propaganda, na this one na, but things are happening. As people, when something happen, as people wey dey there around that side, they go tell you say see o, na so e be. But most of una no go even believe this video. Say na lie o, but na so dey leave bush wey dey suppose go dey fight with ESN, Biafra Liberation Army, for inside bush. Dey enter inside market wey dey for village, wey don dey there for ancient days, go dey put am fire. My people, no be small thing. Oya come hear wetin this Biafra Liberation Army commander come talk for this video wey I go play you right now. Make you watch the video before we come back and continue.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening, my beloved followers. And a very bad night and bad evening to the enemies of Biafra. The saboteur. You know, they are having nightmare, and they will keep having nightmare until the day they will finally enter 6 feet beyond. I'm here to update you because I've promised to do so earlier this morning, that I will still come on board to tell you what really conspired today. And I want you to begin to invite your friends and your loved one to join this broadcast. It's going to be brief as usual, because we do not have time to talk long talk at all. Little time that we have, we will share it with you, very little, to update you and to keep you informed and ready to what is to come. Therefore, gather your friends and your family. Ask so many of them to follow this page, and then do them good to share the information, because information is power. It was yesterday that I told you that all the military forces are no longer going on with their respective uniforms. That all of them now are wearing civilian wear now, joining Ebube Aku or Ebube Atru. That is the latest now, and that is the idea, hope brought to them. So they notice that whenever they are dressing with their respective uniform, that ESM, sorry, there's nothing like ESM again, that Biafra Liberation Army, that is a BLA, notice them easily and destroy them. So they are now dressing like civilian and coming to the land of Biafra to destroy. But they did not know that we are 100 steps ahead of it. Nothing they can do. There is nothing they can do. Well, we want to apologize for the people that their shop was broken down today by these terrorists. We are sorry for your loss, but we want you to hold your peace and remain strong. This fight will not be long. These terrorists you see today, you will see them no more. They have come to Ekotutu today. They have broken people's shop. While others were facing battle, some were busy breaking people's shop and then do away with people's goods and then set the shop on fire. My question is, what are those people's shop do you? You came to fight. No Biafra soldier is selling shop. No Biafra soldier have shop. Those shop you vandalize, none of them belongs to Biafran soldiers. But to show how wicked you are, because everywhere you go, you display your wickedness. Nigeria are the symbols of wickedness. You always like to display how wicked you are. You went to people's shop and vandalized the shop. You stole a lot of things. People that are selling phones, you break in their shop, you stole their phone, you stole charger, you stole money, and then you put the shop on fire. You went to shop that are selling rice, you stole their rice, you stole everything, and you set the shop on fire, leaving the battle that you came to fight. Are you normal at all? Why are you breaking people's shop? That is why God will keep punishing you. That is why God will keep destroying you, because you are wicked. Nigeria have never borrowing those people money to do their market. But today, you went there and broke in. They locked their shop, oh, but you broke into their shop and stole goods and set the shop on fire. Wickedness in the high places. Wickedness. And that is why I apologize to those whom shop have been vandalized and set ablaze today. Sincerely, deeply, from our heart, we are sorry. Today they came with 10 armor tanks, everyone, and they divide themselves into two. We thought they came to fight, while we were on a very serious gun battle with others. Others were busy breaking people's shop in the market, because they know we cannot carry fight enter market, stealing people things, and that is what they know how to do the best. We are happy that we do not lose any soul, and we cannot lose soul. As I do always tell them, that we have died before and we refuse to die again. And ask them, to tell you they are lost. But don't worry. As we say, this January is just a January of January. We will give you what you want once we enter February. You see those armor tanks? The same way you stop coming with fighter jet, is the same way you will not able to use your armor tanker again. It is a promise. You know now, when we say something, we do something. And we always say what we can do. Imagine you with armor tank, 10, throwing bomb, shooting non-stop. But does it stop us? Did it stop you not from dying? Did it stop you from dying? You still die. You still die. And you know that sometimes when you come, we will not exchange bullet from with you because of the market people. Before these people will run away and find their safety place, you don't already think that you don't stand a better chance. On Sunday and on Monday, we should know that there is no market on Monday. You refuse to come. The day you know that there is no market, you can never turn up because you know everywhere will be open. You always want to use human shield. You want to use human being to shield yourself. You are a coward. You are a coward. You are a fucking coward. You know the open space, and you cannot stand on an open space. You always want to use human being to see yourself. But don't worry. As I told you before, that February is going to be a very hot month for you. We will hunt you down, we will pursue you, and we will pursue you until you will be no more or nowhere to be found. It's a promise, not a threat. You know how we roll. You know how we roll. You know how we roll. We are coming. Nothing will save you. And this is to tell you also that I've been going around talking rubbish, that hope I've made peace. And when I tell you that we did not make peace with anybody, some of you were saying I'm lying. You have seen it, right? We don't lie. And as we told you that there will be no peace until Biafra is fully restored, so shall it be. I'm asking you, what kind of peace are you talking about?
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch and listen to wetin this Biafra Liberation Army commander talk. You don't hear them? This is not the thing where they happen for inside Biafra land, inside our land, where they go leave anybody where they get issue with, go they touch innocent people. Something where they no fit try for not. Something where they no fit try for other part of the country, but they do am for inside Biafra land. I don't understand. Things are really happening. However, share this video so that other people will know what they go on. So that other people will know the kind crime and this way these people will call themselves army they do for our land. Our youth don't finish. Share this video. Share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section. What do you think? Do you think that this thing where they do will be army, where they do to Biafra people, they will ever win this war? If you think say they go fit to win them, let us know for inside comment section. But if not, share the video and leave your own opinion.